Model, 2016 Renault Trafic Business Plus SL29 Energy dCi 120. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 106,426. MOT, the 14th of January 2025. Engine, 1598 cc R9M ENERGY 120 E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still pulls in every gear. The coolant doesn't pressurize straight away. This is just a start, or possibly could be something simple. Buy it on the basis it needs a head gasket, then you won't be disappointed. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear